and I am walking 21,000 kilometers all across India for the awareness of blood donation. I started my walk on 28 December 2021 from Kerala to Vietnam, and from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Dadar, Daman, Diu, Gujarat, Telangana, Andhra, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, Sikkim, and now Meghalaya. I have covered 15,700 kilometers till now. The only mission behind my walk is that nobody should die waiting for blood after 31st December 2025. Nowhere in India, people should die waiting for blood because every day more than 12,000 people die. And that is only possible when we encourage at least 5 million people all across India. And if you see in Meghalaya, it's more important because out of 12 districts, 5 districts don't have blood bank. And also, people in tribal part, they don't have access to blood bank, and also they are not willing to donate blood too often. My focus is to encourage more and more people in Meghalaya so that in Meghalaya, if there is not even a blood bank, but at least where there are blood bank, they can support other districts as well where there is no blood bank. I was in Tura, I met with the DC sir over there, Jagdishji, and they, after my walk, they started one black bag in Bulbadi, which was not operational at that moment of time. That is the impact we are creating. In William Nagar is taking support from Tura Black Bag Civil Hospital. And when I went there, DCs are also committed there that we are going to try and encourage more and more people. In Meghalaya, all the churches are very strong, and every week people are gathering there for mass, church service. And for me, it is very important to make sure that people who are coming forward at churches every week, they should at least get motivated through blood donation. Because once went out of Meghalaya, it will be very difficult for me to keep motivating people in Meghalaya. But churches can do. Not just churches, but also other societies as well, like Sikh communities, Marwadi communities, and all these communities. My mother passed away because of cancer, and I was so young that I had no clue that what does it mean to lose someone. But when I grew up, I was 18 and I was trying to do a diploma which I couldn't complete till that date. I'm only 10th pass. So while doing that diploma, one of my teachers needed blood. I went there, donated blood to him, and while I was coming out of that blood bank, then his son came to me and he just said thank you. And that thank you was enough for me to realize what he was going through. And that's when I realized that my father might have gone through the same pain what he might have seen. Then I decided that I'm going to start donating blood on a regular basis. And that's how I started my blood donation journey. But what happened? It was 26 December 2016, when demonetization was going on, and I got a call early morning that there is a family from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. They need blood. I went there, I donated blood, and after donating blood, what happened? I got to know that the lady whose husband is getting treatment, she got into prostitution, and that lady paid for my blood because the person who called me, he was a tout. The very same day, I left my job, and on 29th January 2017, I started a platform called Simply Blood. And with Simply Blood, we saved more than 60,000 people through blood donation duty all across India and even outside India as well. But that was not enough because I saw that many people are coming forward. Because during the COVID time, the plasma crisis was there huge, and people were making excuses for not donating blood. That's when I decided that this is not going to happen because it's just a attitude problem. People are not willing to come forward and do it. And that is only possible when you create an example in front of them that somebody is walking for a cause, you just need to go out and donate blood. And that's all you need to do. And when I made this, started this walk, I just planned it from one capital city to another capital city. But later, after a few days, I started this walk. Then I realized that the need of blood donation awareness is more needed outside major cities or capitals. So that's how I made sure that I go village to village, small town to a small town, so that more and more people can understand what it is all about and why we should donate blood.